Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. So we actually hit that target a lot sooner than I thought we were. Again, definitely bearish for today, and the range target that I had, basically in the video that I made earlier today was, I thought that we were going to go down to 39,245 and in between 37,542. Top of the range hit. We actually have that wick right here on the 15-minute. It wicked off perfectly to the top end of the forecast that I had, and then we bounced a little bit to the side. It does look like we are possibly going to be moving back a little bit to the upside. I'm still bearish a little bit, right? I'm not bearish completely, but I am bearish until we take this daily trigger, this bullish daily trigger, until it actually goes red, right? Until we make a little red bubble up here, until we actually close a bullish day, then I will be bullish all over again. And you guys already know I'm not bearish yet. I still think that we can rally $10,000 after this bullish trigger actually gets closed on the daily, right? So if we end up closing it somewhere around this range of 39.7, for example, my price target would be 49,761, roughly 50K, right? But what I want, I really don't care about the target. All I want to do is I want to break the recent high that we created back here, which was what, 48, I think 240 or so? 48,240, yeah. The recent high was 48,240. All I care about is that high on the daily gets broken. If we run up, right? If we run up from here and we do not cross that 48,240 level, I think we're going to go into extremely bearish territory, and I'll tell you guys that right now. As of right now, as long as this bear cycle stays on Bitcoin, I'm bearish short term, 100%. Once we actually close a bullish day on the daily, again, create that red dot here, the stochastic starts moving up, I'm bullish all over again, and I'm looking for a, depending on where we close, if we close around this area, I'd be looking for a $10,000 move up, between 8 to 10K. So definitely goes in line with us pushing back to like around $48,000. But again, forecast hit, right? We dropped significantly hard. It was probably due to the CPI data tomorrow. It's forecasted to be ridiculously high. And the Fed and economists are saying that tomorrow for the CPI report, it's actually going to be peak high for the year. And again, we can take this into information that we can use for the next CPI report, right? If you have, if the Fed and the economists are saying that this CPI report, which is the CPI report for March, is going to be the all-time high or the high peak of the year, then we can definitely call this the bottom, right? If CPI report comes in at the peak, this is the bottom of the stock market, this is the bottom of crypto, and we're going to rally from here, right? But if next month for May that we actually get the CPI report for April and it comes high or higher than what tomorrow's CPI report is going to say, I think we're going to flash crash. Not only crypto, but also stocks. So again, this is only because the Fed and economists and the White House are saying that tomorrow is going to be a ridiculously high CPI report, and we all better get ready. And also that they are calling tomorrow the peak high for the year for the CPI report. So if the CPI report for May comes out, which would actually be for April, comes out higher or around the same level as this CPI report, I have market's gonna flash crash. I'll tell you that right now. If inflation does not get fixed, or if they don't start doing something to fix inflation, the CPI report is gonna tank the market extremely hard. So as of right now, still bullish on crypto. It hit the forecast that I had, the range of the 39K to 37K, hit it today. Hit it a lot faster than I thought it was gonna hit, right? I thought it was gonna happen maybe in the next week or so. I did not think that it was gonna go down today, but the possibility of this happening, probably because of the CPI report tomorrow, people wanted to sell off because, for tomorrow, right? But again, still bearish short term on crypto, on Bitcoin. But as soon as that daily trigger on the bottom right here on my reverse MACD closes bullish, then I'm bullish all over again. And I'm bullish of about $8,000 to $10,000 to the upside of wherever the close price is. And I will definitely update you guys when that happens, because I do think it's going to happen sometime this week. If not, we're going to close a bear week this Sunday, and we're basically all fucked. I'll tell you guys that right now. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.